Hey everyone, it's Gianna Lum at Convincing Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Today, I have a super exciting update for the Cardano community and also the Algorand community. A big collaboration just happened. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your own research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's the tweet. The Algorand Foundation tweeted, "Welcome input-output to the DREC Alliance. Input-output developers of Cardano are joining Algo Foundation, Hashgraph, Ripple, and XRP Labs as the final founding members of the Decentralized Recovery DREC Alliance. Together, we're advancing the DREC Alliance's mission of creating an interoperability recovery standard to facilitate the widespread adoption of crypto and other assets." So you can check out all the Alliance members here. There's Algorand, Cardano, Hashgraph, Hedera, Ripple, XRP Labs, and a bunch of Alliance members like ACR, Base Social, Blade Labs, and more. Algorand Foundation CTO, John Allen Woods, further emphasizes the importance of the Alliance. "We co-founded the DREC Alliance as part of our mission to improve the UX of the entire ecosystem, from regular users to developers, delivering a better, more accessible, and more secure experience for all. Streamlined key recovery is vital, as is further decentralization of other important infrastructures." So I want to give a huge congrats to everybody on this alliance. I think a collaboration between both Cardano and Algorand is super smart. Both blockchains have really good values, they have strong communities, and they both want to protect the environment with energy efficiency. I'm curious to hear your thoughts though. Are you a fan of this alliance? And who else do you think should be included? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors. And we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with friends if you love this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!